Builders, gamers, and PC users in general, your wallet is not ready for 2026. AI data centers are eating 70% of all memory chips this year. Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, they're hoarding everything for their mega brain. Result, normal DDR5 for your PC basically sold out. Prices up to 200% in months, and it's getting worse. When does it end? 2026? It's literally sold out. 2027? New factories barely start then. And real relief? Maybe late 2028 or even 2029 if AI keeps exploding. Micron straight up said shortage persists beyond 2026. So maybe even upgrade now before prices double again. You're gonna be waiting for 2029 to upgrade your RAM. And AI won, people lost. Drop an F in comments if you're waiting on cheap RAM forever. And like and follow for more tech updates.